Hello you guys, you're watching Cooking with Dimples, and today's recipe is going to be my banana pudding cheesecake. It's perfect in time for the holidays. I know it's after Thanksgiving, but you can still make it for Christmas or New Year, so we're just gonna hop right into it and get started. Okay you guys, so these are the ingredients for this recipe. These are the ingredients for the crumb crust. These are the ingredients for the banana pudding filling. These are the ingredients for the cheesecake filling. And those are the ingredients to decorate the top. Okay, so you are just going to add the graham crackers to a bowl and you're going to mash them any way you like until they're halfway done. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can also use that and mash them with a rolling pin or whatever you have handy. Okay, now that is half done, you are going to grab your favorite Vanilla Wafers. You can get Vanilla Wafers or you can get Nabisco, which is very good as well. And you're going to add a big handful. We're going to continue mashing these until they are nice fine granules. Okay, so now that we have that all nice and perfect, we are going to add our cinnamon to the mix and we are going to add our butter. We are going to mix this all together until all of the crumbs are nicely coated with the butter and nice and soft and moist. Okay, now you're going to add the mixture into your 13 by 9 baking dish, and you're going to take anything flat, you can use a measuring cup like me, and you're going to firmly pack it on the bottoms and a little bit onto the sides of your baking dish. Okay, you guys, so we have 2 packages of cream cheese. We have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We have pure vanilla, and we have home squeezed lemon juice that we're going to use to make the cream cheese filling. Okay, so we are going to beat the cream cheese with the sweetened condensed milk with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes or until it's nice and incorporated and creamy. And then we will add the vanilla and the lemon juice and mix it until it's well blended. We are just going to take the mixture and we are going to spread it evenly on top of the crust. So we are going to use 2 boxes of banana pudding pie filling. We are going to prepare it as a pie filling, not the pudding. So we'll use 1 3/4 cups of milk instead of 2 cups. We are going to layer it over the cream cheese and put it to settle in the fridge for 2 hours. So now that it's been chilling for about 2 hours, we are going to top it with about a carton and a half of Cool Whip, and we're going to decorate it with our Chessmen cookies and our vanilla wafers.
Move to the left a little bit.
Okay, you guys, well, this concludes my video. I hope you guys loved it. I really love this recipe. My family does too. We have been making it for years. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you can get my videos as soon as they come out. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell the world. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really love you guys. You are the real MVP. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays, you guys. You let your body